And welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Last season, Montego Bay United asked for respect, but this season they are asking for their money. The Red Stripe Premier League title holders are complaining that since the start of the season, they are yet to be rewarded with any monthly disbursement from the Premier League Clubs Association.
Before the start of the season, Montego Bay United stated they were pulling out of the PLCA but would remain a part of the league. Not only was the PLCA taken aback, but the Professional Football Association of Jamaica, the TVJ, as well.
We don't think it makes sense for one club, any club, to try to remove itself from the PLCA. But they felt strongly enough to tell us that they had sufficient concerns to want to remove themselves from the PLCA.
But after legal consultations by the PFAJ, it was discovered that Montego Bay United must remain a part of the PLCA to play in the Premier League.
They believe that their intention to withdraw was not handled properly and that they wanted to withdraw that letter of withdrawal from the PLC.
However, having played 8 months so far, the Montegonians are yet to get any monthly remuneration from the PLCA.
I don't think we can continue, or people expect us to continue to give that value and not get something in return.
But the PLCA Vice Chairman Carvel Stewart says Montego Bay United is not entitled to any monthly drawdown.
Let me tell you this, the letter that said they withdrew had 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph said, we withdraw with immediate effect. The second paragraph said, and here I paraphrase, don't do nothing for we. So how come you want something now?
The question is Montego Bay United entitled to any monthly remuneration?
For all intents and purposes, they are a part of the league. Besides which, we have a letter from them which says, we want to be part of the league. So, as far as the PFAJ is concerned, the club is a part of the PLC. And they have continued to play in the Premier League. And from the legal perspective, they are a part of the PLC.
Montego Bay United will play Arnott's Gardens on Sunday in the first leg of the home and away playoff to see who will advance to the semi-finals. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.